Welcome to Absolute ERP. In our last video, we have covered the way to create workgroups in ERP. In this video, we will show you how to create your production processes. Purpose of defining production process: you will define the master of all the processes of your organization that will required at that time of production execution of your finished goods or items. We will demonstrate how these processes will be applied to define creation for your finished goods in our upcoming video on routing and the bill of material for creating your production processes. Go to Setting part, then move to Production tab. Once you come on this page, on left-hand side, Create Process tab is appearing. Click over it. As you see, all predefined processes of your organization is appearing on this screen. In case you want to create new, click over this option. Now mention the required data. First, add process name, like I am creating cooling process. In your case, it will be different according to your finished good or item, like cutting process, stitching process, pasting, lasting process, etc. Next, sequencing number of this process, auto-generated by a system. If you want to denote this process by color code, in case define it. Next, multiple workgroup is appearing. These are coming basis of your defined machinery and their workstations. Now you can categorize your created process. Means under which workgroup it will come. Select the desired workgroup and click Save. Now, your production process has been created. On main screen, it is showing with all the necessary details. If required, you able to edit or delete. In today's video, we have covered the way to create production process. If you want to know more about Absolute ERP, watch our other videos.